sweethearts, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys, when I say natural looking twist, that's what I'm talking about right here. Natural, curly, kinky twist. I can't wait to show you guys just how easy these twists are, and we're trying to promote growth, my sweethearts. Stay tuned, and I'll show you just how to get these done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, and twisted. And later, I'm going to show you why I always twist my hair up after wash. Okay, sweethearts, I got this twisted afro kinky twist. I got it in 24 inches and 1B, my natural hair color. You guys, I wanted it just on my shoulders because when you split it in half, it becomes 12 inches. So that's why I got the 24. When I say one pack is enough, one pack is enough. I get 3 pieces out of the piece that you cut in half. So one piece cut in half, that's 6 pieces. You guys, you do the math. Okay, let me show you the secret to non-breakage. You know when you finish washing your hair and your hair is all dry and brittle? When you comb it out, it's all hard and your hair is breaking off. This method will stop all that from happening. After wash, grab some Cantu conditioning cream, some grease, and then twist your hair up, and you'll get these wonderful results. Okay, yes, I'm old school. I don't like those little kinks or balls in the back of your hair, so I shave them all off. Make sure after you shave, you're going to get some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and just rub that around your edges so you won't bump up or you won't get irritated. All right, you guys, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Don't forget, while you're braiding, twisting, and parting, don't forget to oil your scalp, okay? Oil and grease it up because you don't want dandruff or you don't want a dry scalp while your hair is out in the open like that. What I mean by that is you're going to be able to see the parts. So if you can be able to see the parts, you'll be able to see your dandruff. So make sure you're greasing and oiling well. Okay, loves, when starting these, you want to start with your middle, your pointed, and your thumb finger. And you're going to act like you're finna do a box braid. Braid really, really tight, but not too tight because these are your edges. You're going to braid down really, really hard, tight. And then you're going to add some shine and gem to your natural hair. Then we're going to put our natural hair in the middle. And then we're going to split our natural hair into 2 and then combine them both into the twisted up hair. We're going to twist regularly. We're not going to add it, twist it, twisting. No, we're just going to twist regularly. Then we're going to add our clamps, you guys, and make sure you're using those clamps because it's going to stop your hair from breaking. Loves, we're just going to twist regularly all the way down and just to the very, very end. And look how nice that looks. Doesn't that look nice and neat? That's what we're going for. Nice and neat. Neat parts, neat ends. That is our goal. I'm using my edge control around my edges off top because I know I'm going to be using it throughout the hairstyle, so I might as well use it while I'm twisting them up. Again, you guys, I will stretch it till I glue it to the face. Do not make the front of your hair tight. Why? Because we want our edges, my loves. So make sure you're twisting when you're braiding, tight around here. Don't make it too tight because you do want to sleep at night. You do want to be able to think. And if your hair is too tight, you're not going to function. You're really going to be only worried about your head, and we do not want that. See how natural it looks, and it goes directly to my shoulders. It just looks real and it feels real. It's so light, you guys. I love this hairstyle. Actually, this kinky twist. This is my favorite line of hair. I love using it because it reminds me of my natural hair. So I suggest you guys get it and check it out. It is for you because it's definitely for me. All right, trimming off the edges. Make sure you're going to trim downward, not from side to side. You know what, you guys, I decided to add a little curl on the end. So we're going to use our perm rods. We're going to grab like 3 pieces, and then we're going to perm rod those in. You guys, it's going to be so amazing when you see this. Simple. The reason why I'm pouring this hot water in this little cylinder is because you see how short these are to my face. I don't want to burn myself, so make sure you're being careful as far as that. If you're a little scared or kind of skeptical about it, ask someone to help you out. Sweethearts, I love this Figaro olive oil mousse. It's stopping the flyaways, and it's moisturizing your hair, and it's stiffening it up all at the same time. I love it. Check it in the description box below, my loves. You guys, it is so soft, it is so fluffy, and running my fingers through it makes it feel so good. I'm just showing you how bouncy it is. It is amazing. All right, sleep routine. You guys, all you got to do is put it in a ponytail. Grab your favorite scarf, just a scarf that's just going to hold it down. It's going to keep everything in place. I love this scarf actually. You guys, and all you have to do is put a bonnet over it. That is completely it, and you're ready for sleep time. To get the day started, I pull out my black control and I get my edges together. I'm not the best edger, but you guys, I try, okay? They looking nice to me. I love them. You've tried, and you do the same, sweetheart. And for the final results, you guys, get you some Shine and Gem scalp oil. It's like pepperminty, and you're all good to go, sweetheart. And these are the final results, my loves. Easy, simple, quick, and it's helping your hair growth. All the products that I put in is helping your hair. You guys, you can keep this in. I swear this is good for a good month. This will do your hair wonders. You're not stressing your hair. There's no rubber bands in it. This is a protective style. You guys, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.